Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This video I will read article by Liz Moyer in investing.com. Fed chair easing inflation could cause some problem for household and business. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the central bank's effort to contain inflation would require a period of continued undertrend growth. The world cause suffering for households and business. This is an unfounded cause reducing inflation, Powell said in a speech at the Fed annual meeting in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. But failure to restore price stability will mean far greater suffering. Last year, Fed officials insisted inflation would temporary, but high prices have persisted far longer than they expected, which has prompted policymakers to act aggressively to cool the economy. Powell said the central bank is determined to tame inflation even at the risk of a recession. The man continuing to press for rate hikes until the Fed is satisfied it has achieved its goal. There is an ongoing debate about how far the Fed will go at its next policy meeting in September. Future market indicate a 58.5% change for another 75 bps rate hike, which will be the third time in a row. There is a 41% 5% change. The Fed will give a smaller interest of 50 bps. There is some evidence that inflation is declining, especially as energy prices have fallen in recent weeks. The housing market is also slowing down because rising interest rates and high selling prices make potential buyers not willing to buy a house for now. But as earnings reports from retail companies show, consumers feeling pressured by rising food prices are delaying buying other items, such as clothing and electronics. A number of economic data published this Friday, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, its core personal consumption expenditure index, rose 0.17 in July from June and 44.6% for the year to July, both lower than analysis forecast. The figure is also much smaller than the June release, an indication that inflation is declining. The core figure excludes food and energy prices, which tend to be more volatile. A lower inflation reading for July is welcome. 1 month interest far from what the committee needs to see before we believe inflation is moving down, Powell said Friday. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the central bank efforts to contain inflation would require a period of continued undertrend growth. The world cause suffering for households and business. This is an important cause of reducing inflation, Powell said in a speech at the Fed annual meeting in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. but failure to restore price stability will mean far greater suffering. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.